Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with your business updates for today. NCB Financial Group recently saw an uptick in its share price, and its chairman, Michael Leachin, says investors looking for value need look no further. Leachin pointed to the company's book value of $84 per share compared to a stock price currently trading in the $50 range, suggesting the stock remains significantly undervalued.
For those who are really interested in creating wealth, you can see you have a business here that is well diversified, that is the preeminent business model in the Caribbean, because there's no other financial services enterprise that has a major banking institution and a major insurance company under the same financial group holding company. None. It's unique in the world. So for it to be selling at these prices, wow. Those who are bullish, those who can see value, those who can think long-term, they should be feasting.
His statements comes on the heels of a decline in profits for the financial institution this quarter to $7.2 billion, down from $13.3 billion the same period last year.
The decline in the current year profits was primarily attributable to the $15.1 billion gain recognized in the prior year from the disposal of the Netherlands-based insurance brokerage business. Importantly, as we assess the core performance, excluding the one-off gain, net profit for the period would have increased by approximately $3.3 billion or 46%, while net profit attributable to stockholders would have improved by $3.2 billion or 80%, reflecting an improvement in the current period, signifying the underlying fundamentals remain strong despite the headwinds faced during the current period.
And Dollar Financial Services Limited proposed acquisition of the loan portfolio of Evolve Loan Company Limited is progressing through the regulatory process. Both companies have now formally submitted applications to the Bank of Jamaica, seeking no object approval for the transaction. Dollar Financial CEO Kenroy Carr provided an update during a recent Mayberry Investments Limited investor briefing.
We do not expect that in the short term we will see material increase in terms of the earnings for the group itself. The transaction is positioned in a way that it will definitely expand our customer base and just enhance the portfolio diversification, provide some amount of cross-selling opportunities, and obviously over time we will see some advantages as it relates to stronger cash flow and return value for our shareholders. So in terms of what we can answer, I'd just prefer to wait until we have sealed the deal and gotten the no objection, and then we'll be able to release some information as it relates to the structure of the deal and the size and everything else.
As for the key benefits that Dollar intends to leverage,
the expansion to our customer base, looking at diversifying the loan portfolio or the group loan portfolio. And it just creates a lot of opportunity to cross-sell, because these are customers who have existing loans. We know their history. We'll have all of that data, which is really an asset that we can leverage in the acquisition of this portfolio. So over time, these advances are expected to drive stronger cash flow, increase our market share, and that ultimately will drive sustainable value to our shareholders. Sure.
And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett.